Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to Tiffany Baby TV. It's finally happened, guys. A wig that I could not slay. Today we're working with Jode from the Janet collection. She is the Natural Me line. I have her in the color 99J. Before we get started, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to let you guys see everything that I've done to this wig from start to finish. I have a couple of do's and don'ts for you on this wig. Make sure that you stay tuned until the end to get my final thoughts. Go ahead and watch me work. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you this cap construction. You've got two combs in the front, one in the back. You've got adjustable straps. This is a wefted cap, so it's got some nice breathability. It also had ear-to-ear lace, which I've already cut off. This is what that parting space looks like. It's pretty tight. You might want to pluck that. This is what my wig looked like straight out of the package. I'm a little bit dissatisfied with this texture and the frizziness of it, but this color looks pretty. I'm going to go ahead and use my tinted lace spray to try to bring out and define this part. That looks much better. I'm really loving this spray and how natural it makes the wigs look. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on and yeah. That's what she looks like. Mine didn't look like it looks like on the model for sure, so let's see what we can do. Let's use some heat. It was at this moment that I knew that I'd messed up. Low-key, I think that side looks better now that it's got a little bit of that density out of there. So let's see if we can work this out. I'm checking the stock card now because I thought that this unit was heat safe. And now I'm looking at my hot comb trying to determine what temperature I had it on. As you can see, it is still smoking. I always set my hot comb to 15 out of 20, but as you can see, that was too hot today. This stock card clearly says it is safe up to 360 degrees, but apparently that was a lie. So I know I fried it, but surprisingly the texture doesn't look too bad. I think this is still acceptable, so I'm still going to try to work on it. I'm going to use a little bit of styling wrap foam to just try to do something with this. That didn't help. So I'm going to try again one more time with heat. I'm going to go much lower. I'm going to go at 300 degrees this time. As you can see, that was also unsuccessful. This thing is just incredibly difficult. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys watch me work. I'll be back with you guys in the outro. Alright guys, so this was really the best that I could do with Jode. I've seen several people review this unit, you guys, and I was so excited to get this and to review this for you guys, but in this color, and I have to believe that that's what it is, this 99J color, this is just not it, you guys. This is Kanekalon braiding hair straight up out of the package. Like, there is no yucky to this. I hate this texture. I literally hate it. My wave pattern out of the package, I didn't put any heat on this side, you guys. I only put heat right up here, which obviously that was my fault. But my curls were not popping out of the package like I've seen some other people's curls pop out of those packages. This is how my hair looked when I was a little girl, when my mom would try to flat iron it the day before church, and then I'd have to get up and take those rollers out, and I'd be pissed at the outcome of my hair. This, I don't know why they gave this to us. If this color couldn't handle this texture, they should have kept it. This is absolutely beautiful on everybody else that I've seen in the black color. And as a matter of fact, Trendy K reviewed it in the same color, and I saw hers and I thought it looked great on hers too. So maybe I got a bad batch. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. But I always am going to give you the honest tea. I'm always going to give you my real feedback. I purchased this with my own coins from Amazon, and I was geeked to get it. And now I'm really upset because I don't think I'm ever going to wear this again. You guys, let me know down below in the comments. Am I overreacting? Was my expectations just too high and I haven't slayed it hard enough? Let me know what you think. I think this is my first serpent wig. This one's going to go back in the back of the closet, never to be seen again. I can't even try to resell this because it's so tasty. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Don't thumbs down my video because this wig was bad. I didn't do it. I didn't make it. It's not my fault. I mean, I did burn it up a little bit, but don't hold it against me, you guys. I slay all the time, and I always try to bring you the real. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you rocking with me. Go buy a different wig. Don't buy this one. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.